So what song will you be dancing to tonight?
Amazing Grace.
The other way.
This way?
Yeah. Hit that
And go in?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oi!
Oh my god.
Yeah. Let me try some. Let me try some other words.
Oh my god.
Whipped cream on honking pastries. That's pretty good. I think I can understand. Whipped cream on honking
And Julie.
pastries. What did I say? What did I say? Whipped cream.
That cream.
Whipped cream
Whipped cream.
on honking
Pumpkin.
pastries.
Pastries.
Oh,
Maybe it did.
Violet.
I think you
Violet. Oh shit.
Violet.
All of these. Oh my god.
Oh, what?
Violet. All of it. I can't say it. Violet. All of these.
I can't understand that.
All of these.
Water.
All of these. All of these. Violet. All of these. Oh gosh. Perfectly crafted pasta pyramid.
Perfectly
Crafted pasta
pasta.
pyramid.
Marinade.
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Yeah.
Oh, she's hungry. She's hungry.
Ready?
Yeah.
Don't tell her shit.
Boom, she come in. What are you doing, Spencer?
Kayla, he's waiting.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Jessa, where are we going?
We're gonna get snacks.
Jessa's friend from Waianae is giving away his bin full of snacks. And I honestly am so excited for it. Yeah, he got all the Hawaiian snacks. All the Hawaiian snacks. The good, you know what I'm saying? Do we have to go up there?
He said he's gonna be like downstairs.
Okay, we never need pay, right?
No.
Okay, good.
Why would he pay?
I don't know, you know Hawaii people, they need money. Oh, I see him. Is that him? I don't know. No, that's not him. Never mind. I thought that was for us, that hamper full of clothes. But this is dating, guys. This is where I would have lived if I was on time with my assignment, not my assignments, my applications. But no, I live in that ghetto ass building across the street.
Hey, Lester.
Hi.
Oh, thanks.
How you kids?
Oh, somebody open the door.
Thinking all the way. My
Oh, girl.
container is gone.
Bye. Good night. Oh, you never put the chocolate in. It's okay.
Oh, you never put the chocolates in?
No, not the box of chocolate.
Ah, that's cool. That's okay.
That's okay. We still got snacks. And it's not even open. Oh,
Alexi.
like this hot dog and stuff, and not even open.
No fucking way! Look!
Look, we got more. More? Holy fuck.
Yo! This is like every Hawaii kids. Oh my god! Give me now. Give me. I caught this. Look. Is there the watermelons?
The watermelons?
Yeah,
the watermelons.
no, this is worms.
No.
These are the bomb. These Hawaiian snacks, they're a bomb.
The donkey kind watermelon.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, this is a I'm a dumb.
Yeah. Hey. Let's go. All star. No.
Bitch, what's good? What's up? Where you from? West side, what's up?
Back to back, guys. This is a close game. This is a close game. Up to bat. Up to bat. We got number 16 from Kaimaki.
This for all my supporters, all my A1. Hey guys.
Right here. From Molokai.
Hey, let's go. No more electricity at her house. Just for electricity.
He's taunting her. And we're back to square one. I'm not shivering.
Kinda like.
Please tell me how you feel.
I feel good. Don't worry, I'm coming from behind. Just give me one more fucking minute, I'm gonna make them.
It's okay. You know?
Don't fucking
Tell me,
Bullet. It's North
how are you
side.
liking this game?
Shawty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a little boy, get up on it.
Oh, she ready for jump serve, bro. Shut up! Bro, we probably woke up the whole fucking complex. And it's
Not on my spot, bitch. Get the fuck away. Get the fuck away. He's my spot. He can't take my spot.
Well, if I make it, you dancing.
No, I'm not.
because he.
I'm telling you, by the time we follow you, again, book us the
Gang. Pull up a tree. How do you feel?
My manager. Go talk to her.
Okay, he get one more chance to come back. One more chance to come back because the home team is losing.
But don't make them like that.
If you don't make him, you gotta dance the whole song.
No, bitch, 10 seconds, we can Snapchat length, I said.
30 seconds. No, 1 minute Instagram length.
Oh, I gotta retry.
It's done. It's done. It's done. He's summoned.
Where's my money?
It's over. It's over.
Thanks, Max. Come on.
Bitch, ain't nobody there, please.
So what song will you be dancing to tonight?
Amazing Grace.
In 10 seconds. Faster! I didn't even faster than that. When your mom called me down. Dinner ready. Dinner ready. You don't run like that. Yeah, when your mom says dinner ready. Come on, even Kilo runs faster than that.
I'm out. I'm done. We're out. Peace.